warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce myself. My name is Devin Karesha Intan Febia with student ID number 2024-32016A from the Information System Department. So today I will present my practical experiment about neural network and Q-learning. First, I will explain the neural network model using the Titanic dataset, and after that I will continue with the Q-learning model. Okay, the first one, I have import library. Imported all the required libraries I using Pandas and NumPy, Matplotlib, and Seaborns for data visualization and scikit-learning for processing, model training, and evaluation. Next, I wrote the Titanic dataset. This dataset contains messenger information such as age, gender, measured class, for, and survivor status. The goal of this project is to predict president survivor or not. Next, display the first 5 rounds. After loading the dataset, I displaying the first 5 rounds using the head. This function. This helped me understand the structure of the dataset and check the data has been loading contract. Next, dataset information. I checking the dataset information using info. These functions know the number of round, data type, and the are missing value and its column. The next, description status. Display description status using the describe. This provide information such as mean, minimum value, maximum value, and standard deviation of the numerical features. The next, check missing value. After that, I checking for missing value. Missing value need to be handled before training the model because they can affect prediction perform. The next, data visualization. Yes. I creating several visually the better understand the dataset. The first graph shows the number of measured from survive and thus what did you survive. The second graph displays the age distribution of messengers. The visually help identity from the characteristic of the data before training the model. The next, data deprivation is I creating a visualization to better understand dataset and select the feature net to prediction, fishing value, and categorical numeric value using to label at coding. This. And the next, this, the data processing, data value, and this data processing to selected to feature net for prediction, missing value, and covering categorical data such as sex and infonumerical value using label encoding. This. The next, feature and target selection. Expand to dataset into feature and target. The target variable is survive, while of the other column are using to input feature. train test split, the dataset was divided into percent training data and percent testing data. The training data is using to train the model, while the testing data is using to evaluate its performance. And the standardization, the data using standard scalar. This process assumes that all features have a similar scale, which help the neural network learning more effective. The next, bundle the neural network model. The using ML classifier with 3 hidden layers, consisting the model was training with a maximum. This. And next, modification. After training, I calculated actuality using both the training and testing dataset. Also generate classification report to value precision, recall, and F1 score. The next, coefficient metric. I displayed the coefficient metric to compress the prediction result with the actual value. Describe evaluation. How will the model perform is classifying survival. And the prediction model using a new messenger sample. The model prediction is likely to survive or not based on the input feature. And the next, Q-learning. And the first, I imported the requested library NumPy, NumPy, sideboards, and random is using during the exploration process. And next, I creating the grid everyone consistent of the six. The last state in divide as the goal state, which the X must reach. The next, initialize the Q table. I initialize the Q table with a value set to 0 and the state. The agent has to knowledge about the environment or the best action. The next, set the parameter. I define the Q-learning parameter include the learning rate, discount, operation, and number of training. The next, create the state transition function. I creating a function that determine how the agent move from one state to another based on the select action. And reward function, identified to reward function, the agent rewards when reaching the goal state. Every other move this the egg to find to starters far. The next, training the agent. The agent was training for during its epochs. The agent start from random system because action movie to the next rewards and update to Q table using the Q learning equation and display the Q table. Q value indicate better action from reaching the goal state, and the maximum Q value for X state. The value represents the best possible action available in every state. And visualization, Q-value using to heat map stats that are closer to the goals generality have Q-value because they provide better feature rewards. And the best position, I determine the best position by selecting the action with the key value in every state. The result are using around that point to goals. And again simulation, move around from the starting state to the goal. The demonstration that the again has success the optimal path. And training information, displaying training information include the number of state, action, learning, discount, factor, exploration, and total. Yes. And in conclusion, the neural network model success predict messenger survival using the Titanic dataset. Meanwhile, the Q-learning model success learning the optimal path, so replay the interaction with the environment. Along both are messenger learning. They are using the divided. Meanwhile, Q-learning is designed for decision making, tone learning, reformation. Okay, thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.